Good morning, this is Jennette and Todd Hofmann with Drone Marketing Pros, and we are at a client site in Glendale, Arizona. It is on the 303 corridor. It's for our good friends at Nitti Builders, and the project is called Latitude 303. So today we have come to do some footage of their tilt-up project. So behind us you will see a gigantic crane and all these panels. We got here at before daybreak. It was dark when we got here, and we were able to capture some footage of the sun rising and the guys putting up the first panel. That was super cool. So it's been a wonderful morning. Lots going on out here at the construction site for Nitti Builders. And so what happens, if you guys don't know, is these panels that you see on the ground are poured. They're formed and poured, and then they're set, obviously, but they are cut specifically so that the windows line up, the roof lines up, and what you're seeing today is them pulling it off the ground and lifting it up. And it's been really interesting to watch. The crane operator, super intense. When I looked at his face in the cabin, he's just like intense into it. Because the safety is a priority, of course, on construction sites. Nitti Builders has done we worked with Nitti Builders many times, but this is the first time we've actually captured some footage of their tilt-up. So I think they're on panel number 7. Lots of hard-working guys out here, and the Arizona sun is starting to heat up. So amazing work these guys do. These guys are the backbone of America. These hard workers out here. So we appreciate them, and Nitti Builders, I'm sure, appreciates their employees as well. So exciting project, and we were happy to be part of it. Again, this is Jennette and Todd with Drone Marketing Pros. Over and out.